Hello students, welcome back to social science class. Today we will start the second chapter of civics section, that is role of government in health. This is our first part. In this first tutorial video we will discuss about the contents of the chapters. They are meaning of health, healthcare in India, and medical tourism. This chapter mainly focuses on role of government in health sector. Dear students, we all know that right to good health is a fundamental right which is given by the constitution. However, in reality, the health conditions in India is not up to the level. Actually, it should be. In this chapter, we will know that what is the role of government in health and how public sector and private sectors are different. Democracy talks about that government should talk for the welfare of the people, and this welfare can be in the form of providing education, healthcare facilities, employment facilities, development facilities, housing facilities, and so on. Now we will talk about health. What does health mean? In simple terms, absence of any type of illness is health. However, in these days, definition of health has changed. It has moved from the concept of fitness to wellness. Under Ayush, this is the logo of Ayush mission. Under this Ayush mission of India, it is a state of mental health and mental wellness. It is providing plain drinking water, adequate health facilities, and providing pollution free environment, no mental stress, no mental tension, and that is all comes under health. Our next topic is healthcare in India. Dear student, now we come to know healthcare facilities in India. Students, whenever we will have discussion on medical facilities in India, India is one of the largest nation of the world having highest number of medical colleges, to have highest number of doctors globally. India is nowadays promoting medical tourism. Dear students, what does tourism mean? Do you know it? I will explain you. Students, in simple terms, it is the movement of people because of some activity or due to some any reason. This activity or reason could be recreation or any other reason. It may be to meet family or friends. I think you also visit to your relatives' homes. You are also visit to your for your recreation yourself. You want to get some relaxation from your daily routines. These type of movements are known as tourism, and definitely in the same reason it is also for medical purposes. There are two reasons for medical tourism. First one is a kind of expensive medical setup. This one, a kind of expensive medical setup. In some of the nations, for example, USA. Yes, USA means the United States of America. Some people from United States who are unable to afford expensive healthcare system, they try to move to another countries to avail healthcare facilities because medical tourism become important because of expensiveness in some nations. Students, here I feel proud to tell you that in India, medical facilities are too cheap as comparative to European countries. And second point is not having supportive infrastructure. Some nations have do not supportive infrastructure or do not have good health care facilities. People coming from less developed countries like Africa would come under this category. Either of two reasons promote medical tourism, and this is the reason why healthcare sector is boosted in India. Dear students, I hope this first part of second chapter will be cleared to you. Watch this tutorial very carefully and see you soon in second tutorial with new contents of the same chapter. Till then, bye, take care.